Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link. How's it going? Well, as you can see, we've got a drone. You know what this means? It's Friday! Drone adventures! Yay! Drone adventures! And in this adventure, we're going to go back to the ground of the first episode, which was like right around the flood wall here. Flood wall, Manhattan Harbour sign. It's at 4th and Merritt Ingalls Highway in Dayton. Additionally, I'm going to try to nail 4th and Clark, where EMS and Radiac and all that are, as well as the park. I'm going to try to keep it around there today, but if it ends up here, that's fine too. At least there shouldn't be any risk of drones being on buildings today. As I get started, if it will be, if it was your birthday, congratulations and make it a good one. I want to thank you in advance for supporting me and my channel. You know, be it by rating, commenting, subscribing, hitting the bell button, sharing with your friends and all that good stuff. Don't forget to donate to my medical bills. Any amount helps out. Links are in the video description. Any amount helps out, and as Game from the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel alive and undead. And myself, too, of course. So, as we try to get the drone away from the car, try to bring it under my control here. Oh, it crashed on the flood wall. There it is. Dead on the flood wall already. Oh well. Just had to walk up to it and rescue it, I suppose. Hey, the grass is cut. Might be an RC car adventure coming up on this flood wall too. Who knows? Hey, maybe I can start it on the flood wall this time and not have it get in the way. That would be great. Nope. Too much of a slant. It happened. Try again. As I try to get acquainted with the controls here. Please get away from the flood wall, please. Hey, there's a welcome to Dayton sign, only backwards. Get away, get away, get away from me. Get away from the content creator, please. Didn't mean like that. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Bring her down, bring her down, bring her down. Alright, get it away. Away, away, away. That's the thing that drove you for a loop with these drones. Is that you gotta keep it on your coordination at all times. And I'm coordinatedly challenged, so to speak. And you also gotta keep in mind the direction of the drone too. So you know, it's just like inverting the XY axis on like flying games like Star Fox or FPSs or anything else like that. And that's all part of the job as I get used to flying this thing. Hey. Or we can go slope, up one, over one, that's fine too. Remember geometry class? Slope, rise and run. I know not much of an adventure, but I'm trying to get this thing away from this place and show you some more stuff like I said I would. Try to deliver on my promises today. But that's the thing about, there we go, yeah. That's the thing you gotta keep in mind with flying drones is that, you know, all the controls can get wobbly and out of line, if you catch my drift. Bring her up, bring her up, bring her up. I got a car coming. Car, as they would say back in the day, car. There's the car. But there goes my drone, taking off on me. It's taking off on me for no reason. There it is. I got it to cooperate and this happened. Got it. Nice, perfect landing on the flood wall. There it is. I'm gonna try to get down under the, get off of this flood wall. I already feel unstable as it is up here. So I'll just make this a cut and then we'll be back. All right, so we're back. We're at the park. Like I said, I kind of cheated because this thing was being a jerk, shall we say. Already this thing wants to be, already wants to go out of my control again. I don't know why this thing likes to go out of my control for. It just does that. Now, as you can see, there's the drone out of control again. I don't know why it tends to do that for. If anyone has any idea as to why these things want to, you know, just fly up in the air out of nowhere like that, oh, well, I got it to come back home and cooperate. Yeah, it's a nice overcast sky today. It'd be better if I could get it away from there, get it back home. Well, there's Manhattan Harbor anyway, the Manhattan Harbor. Looks like it's gonna land on the flood wall again, but nice, perfect landing. Now will this thing fly some more for me? Nope, it's gone. Let's try this again. Okay, oh wait, nope. You flipped over right in the grass. Oh well, I'm gonna pick this up carefully. Careful. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Got it, got it. No, 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 no. It's out of control again. Why does this thing like to go out of control on me all the time? Jeez. Jeez, I hate when this happens. Right over the content creator's head, giving me a nice breeze today. Alright, I'm getting fed up with this thing going out of control. It's happened like 2 or 3 times already, so, yep. Adventure's done. I'm Adventure Link. See y'all next Friday for another drone adventure. And until next time, as Eric the Car Guy would say, be safe, have fun, and stay dirty. Don't forget to check out my social media. It is now right in my channel banner. Just click on my channel name, Adventure Link MK2, on any of my videos, and you'll get there. See you next time.